December 3rd was a Saturday.
And you actually were out of the office on the 5th with sickness.
I was.
But you were aware that Lindsay Clancy did reach out to the office on December 5th.
Yes.
And that the nurse was able to respond to her to let her know that you were out sick, right?
Yes.
And Lindsay Clancy responds at 8:30 a.m. that day that that she would just reschedule. Lindsay reaches out to the nurse and says that's fine, she'll reschedule, and that she, in fact, changed her appointment with Letitia Dukes to a virtual appointment for that day, for December 5th.
Yes.
So on the 6th, when you return, did you have a scheduled meeting with Lindsay Clancy?
Yes.
And on this particular meeting on December 6th of 2022, do you recall if that was an in-person or a virtual visit?
It was an office visit.
Okay.
In person.
And so just kind of looking at the note from that day, from December 6th, it says encounter date December 6th. It says filed on December 7th. In the under chief complaint history, do you have it in front of you?
Yes.
The second paragraph says patient has verbally consented to this video visit. Is that just something that sometimes pre-fills into the narrative?
Yes.
But your memory was that this was an in-person visit.
It was.
Was Lindsay Clancy there by herself or with somebody else?
She brought in her husband, Patrick.
Had you met him before?
I had not.
Had you talked to him before?
I had not.
As part of your treatment plan or your course of treatment with Lindsay Clancy, was it your practice to speak with collateral individuals?
Yes.
And in this instance, did you feel a need to speak to collateral individuals up to this point?
Not up to this point.
If you did, would you have requested that of her?
Yes.
And do you need her express permission to do that?
I do.
So on this particular day, she presented with her husband, Patrick, correct?
Correct.
And was there anything different about your approach to the meeting than your previous meetings with her?
No.
You still go through history, you go through how she's doing now, you do your mental status exam, you do your screenings, right?
Yes.
And so first, just let's talk quickly about the screenings. The Edinburgh screen, what was her score on this day when she came in? Do you remember?
21.
Okay. And the GAD-7, fair to say that screen was a 19.
Yes.
So would you say that it was pretty consistent with the last time that you saw her?
Objection.
What's your objection?
My objection is that that's not right. He's now got a 21 Edinburgh scale. Prior testimony was not anywhere near 21. It's deteriorated.
Well, I'm gonna allow that question. On cross-examination, you can certainly explore the basis of what her opinion was. So I'm going to allow that question. Go ahead, Como.
Well, let me ask you about that score of 21. It's 21 out of how much?
30.
So in what range is that?
Moderate severe.
Okay. And on your previous encounter with her on, or your actual telehealth on November 29th, you reported that the score was 17, and that's moderate.
Moderate. Yep.
And then on the GAD-7, on this particular day on December 6th, it was 19, right?
Yes.
And on the previous visit, it was 14.
Yes.
Okay. So as far as your observations of her on December 6th, did you notice anything different about her speech and language?
No.
How about her mood? What did you note her mood to be?
Anxious.
And the affect, fair to say, consistent with mood, meaning anxious, right?
Yes.
And thought process.
Thought process was linear and goal-directed.
And thought content, did she indicate to you whether she was experiencing any auditory or visual hallucinations?
No.
Any delusions?
No.
Any suicidal ideation, a plan, or intent?
No.
And as far as your observations of her during this interaction, this in-person visit, did you observe any signs of psychosis?
No.
Did you observe any signs of mania?
No.
Did you observe any signs of obsessive thoughts or compulsive behaviors?
No.
Now, when you met with Lindsay and Patrick on December 6th, did she or did they report why Patrick was there?
I don't recall if they indicated why he was there. I understood it to mean he was there to provide collateral and support for her.
Were you aware that he was coming to the appointment?
I don't recall if I was aware beforehand or not.
And you had engaged in a pretty significant my chart back and forth with her in the days preceding this this meeting on December 6th, right?
Yes.
Did she ever indicate to you Did she ever indicate to you in those messages that she wished to bring him along to one of the visits?
No.
Fair to say, when a person brings a collateral and is willing to have somebody speak, you're more than happy to get that information.
Absolutely.
This person, this collateral person, can they offer you a different perspective about the patient and what they're going through or what they're, how they're presenting?
Yes.
In this December 6th meeting, or the visit, did she report to you some changes in her sleep or significant concern for sleep?
I would have to review the note. What I remember is that the sleep really hadn't improved much beyond getting a few hours, waking up in the middle of the night, maybe piecing together
Okay.
more time.